Experiment 8, we designed PID controllers for a different plant with a transfer function of 1 over s squared plus 2s plus 2 with h of s of 1. We compared PI and PID controllers using step response metrics. And PI controller first, we implemented a PI controller. And C of s equals 3.3 s plus 1.3 over s. This is equivalent to Kp of 3.3. And Ki equals 4.29. The step response gave natural frequency of omega n equals to 1 and damping ratio equals 0.7 and settling time of 6.8 seconds and peak time of 1.65 and overshoot of 30.9. And for the PID controller, we implemented a C of s of 0.48 times s plus 2.39 times s plus 5.64 over s, and this expanded to KD equals 0.48 and KP equals 3.854 and KI equals 6.47, and the results are the damping ratio of 0.2, omega n of 2, and settling time of 6.6 seconds, and a peak time of 1.56 seconds and overshoot of 32%. And for the comparison and choice, the PID is slightly faster. It has a peak time of 1.56 seconds instead of 1.65 seconds, but settling time and overshoot are nearly identical. As a designer, I would like to choose the PI controller because the performance difference is minimal, but PI is simpler and more cost effective. And PID is not always better, it depends on the specs. And for my conclusion, we also saw that PID can be implemented with a single op-amp. Start with PI and add derivative only if needed. And that's all. Thank you.